A few weeks ago, I started moving small pieces of furniture into the mobile home. Linda and I moved the cabinet the people left behind and turned it into a bar. We unpacked glassware I hadn't seen since I packed it in 2014. While she was doing that, I started unpacking my china and tablecloths. I found my pink set of china. I think this is by Mikasa. It's called Summer Chintz. This is Little Violets. It's by Pia. Then I organized my regular white set and my grandma's set. I also have this antique set I got at a co-op. This was my wedding pattern. I only got the salad plates because they were so expensive. I still love it. Time for an M&M snack left over from Christmas. Yum. I haven't found my crystal, but these were the ones that the owner's kids didn't want. But today I found this tea set I thought I had lost, along with these little teacups. Then I unpacked my aunt's set. These are demi-tasse cups. She left me this set and this little set of demi-tasse cups. I'm so glad my mom saved them all these years so I can finally enjoy them.